Hello, Puspanjali. How are you doing today?
Oh, yes, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. Allow me to introduce myself. So, my name is Mohammad Motiwala. I born and brought up in Gujarat, Diamond City, Surat. I completed BCA and then I enter into the IT industry. As of now, I am holding 5 years of experience in web designing. I am also team leader in one of the MNC company in website department. Nowadays, I'm maximum trying to uh, improve my communication skills as well as English fluency. Therefore, I am here for connecting with co-learners as well as YouTubers. So yeah, that's it.
That's so nice to hear about you. Okay, now I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Puspanjali. I'm from Assam. I'm a homemaker. I'm blessed with a kid, and we are three in my family, my husband and my son, and me. And if I talk about my qualification, I had done graduation before marriage, and I'm running also a business which is from home only, which is cake business. Yes, I'm running.
Sounds good.
Yes. Yes, I am also running a YouTube channel, but it's not. It's been only 2 months. I'm not getting that much of subscribers and all. Yes.
Yeah, so very first, thank you so much for introducing about yourself. Puspanjali, may I know why you are improving your English communication?
Because I can say it's my childhood dream, but I was not getting any opportunity to speak with other persons in English because I was not from English medium, and my surrounding was not like an environment is not like that. And since it's been 1 year, it's been 1 year when I started speaking in English. Like when my child uh, like goes to English medium school, and whenever their parents conducted any PTM, then I have to converse myself in English, and that's why I was thinking it benefits to me, to my son, and also it helps me to like fulfill my dream also. That's the reason.
Great, great. So you have taken particular classes or you have joined any academy for improving your English or from YouTube or online you have increased this kind of fluency.
Yes, I have had joined one session which was clapping go, and it was for 1 month, and I was having like 8 to 9 classes, 9 session I was having that time.
Okay, so you mean to say after joining this online particular platform who are providing expert English tutor for the communication purpose. So after
Yes.
attending these kind of more than 5 to 8 sessions, you can feel improvement in your speaking, correct?
Yes, I feel a little bit confidence. Yes, but I was not comfortable in video call. It's been only like 1 month since when I started to do video call, and it's only having like what six, no, 9 to 10 video call I have done yet, and I feel little bit comfortable on video call. Earlier I was not that much comfortable on video call.
Great, understood. And may I know about your cake business related something like from where or how many months or years you are doing this kind of home-based business in cake?
In cake, I started. It's been 2 years. I started my business, and it's going well. And I am getting the orders day by day. Yes, it's growing.
Great, sounds good. Best wishes for that. So you are the self person who are doing the marketing for different flavors, and you are the self person who are doing marketing, or you have tie up with the particular bakeries and all.
No, I haven't tied up any particular bakeries and all. It's only growing by mouth to mouth. If someone knows me that I am doing this kind of business, they give me orders. And today's is network like online, all everything. And if we put something on status or on online, social media helps me a lot, I can say.
Great, sounds
Yes.
good. Yeah, I wish you may receive more and more orders day by day.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, most welcome. So, may I know any particular things are famous in your state, Assam? Would you like to say?
Yeah, of course. Tilpitha is very famous. I think you have heard about this. It's a kind of stick, like white color and long, and it's kind of stick. It's called tilpitha. Like in Bihu season, we all prepare that foods in our festival time.
Yeah, yeah. Til Pitha and Pihu.
Yes.
Amazing. Also, yeah, as I said, I am from Gujarat. So, have you visited my state or city yet?
Actually, not, but it's my bucket list, going to your place, and I wanted to see each and every parts of like in India. Like I want to visit, but still not getting any opportunities to go there. But I hope I wish my wish become true one day.
Yeah, yeah, understood. I wish. So, if you have an opportunity to explore in India any top three city, so which you will select very first and why?
Uh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and of course Delhi. I haven't visited yet.
Yeah, great. Nice choice.
Yes, because Delhi is the capital of our India, and I wanted to see and their culture, their foods, their I wanted to see and atmosphere also, the beauty of the places, and Rajasthan also. I because I have read about Rajasthan because it's an what is called desert places. I have heard
Desert.
desert. Yeah,
Yes.
desert. And I wanted to see like places and their traditions and all. And if I talk about Gujarat, I have met lots of people through social media. They said that they are from Gujarat, and it's become curiosities to my mind. And of course, one day if I have got chance to, definitely I will go Gujarat also.
Yeah, definitely. Great. Sounds good. And what is your hobbies? You are the person who are most like to watching movies or any motivational videos or what you are doing in your free time?
Actually, I'm kind of a person who loves to watch motivational video, and also some whenever I get free time, I love to read books. Here there is a book also. This I've got yesterday from online,
Great. Sounds
and
good.
the game of life and how to play it. The name is
Oh,
that book,
yeah.
and this book, and I'm reading this book these days, and it gives me pleasure insight, and I want to focus on language, and whenever I get free time I love to speak with the people who are interested also. This kind of thing I love to do in my leisure time, I
All
can
right.
say.
Okay, so this is your
Yes.
first for reading purpose to improve your English, or you regularly you are reading the books?
Actually, purpose is that I want to focus on the grammar and structural part of the English sentences. And second is I love to know the life, and I love to know how to live a life because I'm so curious to know about the perspectives of other peoples also, like how their mind thinking, like how their mindset are. I love to know about. That's why I also love to read.
Great. And would you like to share that particular motivational videos which you are watching, or any particular motivational speaker name which you most like?
Motivational video, like I have read in like subconscious. I, I sorry, I forgot right now, but there are lots of motivational pieces on that book, which is The Power of Subconscious Mind. I have read that book, and there are lots of motivational pieces because I love to know I love to know, like, about human beings, about like how we achieve our goal by doing affirmation and doing like doing that kinds of like stuff. That's why I suggest every people should read that book also, because they can get the that motivational things from that book.
Understood.
Rightly, I'm not able to say to you. Yes.
Yeah, you can, but I'm also interested to read the different books. But you know what? In my case, when I am going to read any particular book, so I am feeling quite, quite boring and quite feeling sleepy. Okay, therefore I am not able to read the book, but I would like to know from your else if you can let me know how you are doing improving your attention or focusing while reading the book. How you are ignoring this kind of distractions.
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, like it's kind of natural things. While we takes any book, then it feels sleepy while reading. But if you are interested in something, like if you are interested in like any field, like suppose I am interested in self motivational kind of books. I love to read that books. Then of course my like I am that time, if even I feel sleepy, but I like wants to know more and more. That enthusiastic feelings helps me to read more and more, and that's the reason I am able to wake up and I am not sleeping while I read.
Understood. Okay. All right.
Yes.
It was nice to talk with you.